Well, here it is Saturday, and we have the first knee wall up. I framed these panels in. That's 3 sections. I framed those in yesterday. We're doing the other 3 sections right now. And oh look, a jet leaving a contrail instead of a chemtrail today. Very nice. So we had the sheathing to finish that off over here on the pile. So we're coming along quite nicely. Another job I had to do yesterday, which wasn't fun, is moving material is always so much fun. But all of this stuff was over here, and when I pulled the tarp off to get one of the planks here, ants were everywhere. They were building a nest inside. So I had to put borax, good old 20 mule team borax, which apparently ants don't like. I had to put that all over the place, and I spread it all over the material here, moved it over, leave the tarp off, and hopefully the ants are gone now. One of these days that old trailer is just going to be a hauling trailer. And yes, I banged my head on that board 3 times so far. And we're cutting these studs. This is another 8-foot section. 2 more to go. Then we'll put those up over here on the south wall. That's it for now. I better get to work. And about a half an hour later, the north knee wall is done. Now we're just going to make some braces to go diagonally on all 4 corners to give that extra stability. Same thing there, and same thing there. And that'll be pretty much it for today for framing. We may be cutting some rafters ahead, getting ready for hopefully next weekend's work. We shall see. Okay, lunch is done. We did a little bit of work following lunch. The Predator 8750 has served faithfully. The Predator 4000 is getting traded in for a new one because I had a 2-year maintenance agreement or maintenance plan to bring it back for any reason before the thing expires and get a new one. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Harbor Freight, you only have to buy one. So we haven't done a whole lot of actual physical work. It was all mental stuff after lunch. Of course, I got this from my beautiful wife with a Skype video chat when everything was nice and quiet. But what we did do was lay out one rafter that we think is going to be the master rafter. You know, this one sitting on top is just sitting on top. But we think that's where everything's going to end up. This will end up sitting like this. Of course, we'll take that thing out of there. But this is the top of the wall up there. So that part is the top of the wall. And this will stick out beyond the wall. Close enough. I know it is then. We got it. So with that, we're wrapping it up. And I thought I'd leave you with a little view of the place. Oh, I know. Let's give an elevated view. See what it looks like from this end of the house is where the loft is going to be. And how do you like that? Beautiful clear skies. Just a little under 70 degrees, maybe 20 or 22 Celsius. A nice breeze. The only thing it's missing is my wife. Next summer. Until next time, friends. So